Welcome back to Clawson Motorsports, your Central Valley's home for Yamaha side-by-sides. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the YXZ 1000 Yamaha's sports side-by-side. It comes with a 998cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine, and it also has sport shift on there, so pretty easy to drive and really, really fun. This is the XTR version, so it comes with a roof. It's going to come with beadlock wheels. It's going to come with a Warn 4,500-pound winch and Fox premium suspension. So really, really good stuff and fully adjustable. This car is built on a Premier chassis. It's probably the most durable and comparable to sport and comfort on the market. You're going to be able to carry up to 300 pounds cargo capacity, and then it has a rear-mounted radiator that'll help keep the cabin a lot cooler. This is one of the only side-by-sides on the market that actually has a parking brake, besides like the Kawasaki's and stuff. All the other ones don't really have a parking brake, they just have a parking gear. So it's kind of nice to have. Storage here, throw whatever you want in there. Now, you can add a Adventure Pro GPS kind of thing. They partner with Magellan. So if you need to have GPS out in the desert, things like that, something that's easily accessible for you through Yamaha. The nice thing about this car is when you're driving this sucker, it does have electronic power steering. In my opinion, when I drive it, pulling it to and from wherever I'm taking it, if I'm in gear and I'm moving, this wheel spins pretty freely. It's really, really easy to control the wheel, really easy to play with it. So you can control the car as you're driving it very easily. Makes it really, really nice.